What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to copy apps from your one Fire Stick to another. Because there might be some situation that you have apps on your one Fire Stick and you want to clone the Fire Stick to another because you actually got a new one. So let's get started. To copy apps from your one Fire Stick to another, we would need to access the Fire Stick on your computer. And for that, there are two requirements that you need to do. The first one is make sure that your Fire Stick and your computer are both on the same internet network. So to verify that, go to your network in your settings on your Fire Stick. And as you can see, my Fire Stick is connected to this network called IMFasterG. And as you can see in my computer, I'm also connected to the same network called IMFasterG. So that's the first requirement that you need to do, that your Fire Stick and your computer both should be on the same network, same Wi-Fi network. And the second requirement is to install an app on your Fire Stick called ES File Explorer, which you can go to your Fire Stick App Store and search for this app, ES, give it a space, File Explorer. In the drop down you can see that's the second option. So you can just download it. I already have it installed on my Fire Stick. So as you can see, that's the ES File Explorer Manager. I already have it installed, so that's the second requirement. And once you have it installed, just click on it and start the app. So your ES File Explorer Manager would look something like this when you start the app. So what you need to do, you actually need to go to, there's a button called View on PC. So search for that, yeah, right there. So this option lets you access your Fire Stick onto your PC. So search for this button called View on PC and click on it. And now hit the Turn On button. So scroll down and click Turn On. And that's your IP that you need to connect to your Fire Stick. And that's your FTP IP address that you need to paste in your computer to access the contents of your Fire Stick onto your PC. So I'm gonna do it now, and this should be as it is. So I'm gonna type in FTP //192.168.86.33:3721, and once you have typed that, hit enter. And as you can see, you can access the contents of your Fire Stick on your computer. See how simple it is to access the contents of your Fire Stick onto your PC. I hope you liked this video and it was useful for you. And if it was, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.